Christina Danielle. In today's video, I am going to be showing you all how I do some DIYs in the house that Hendrix can play with, things that he can just touch, feel, play with, toss around, and things like that. But before I get into the video, I just want to say thank you all to my subscribers, and if you have not, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit the post notification so that you'll know every time I upload a video. The three things that we're going to do, we're going to make a noise maker. So that's going to be the first one, and that's going to be made out of a water bottle. We're going to make some Jello that he can, with his toys inside, that he can mess with. And we're also going to make like a little board with balloons that he can touch, knock, and hit, things like that. Now all of these items I did purchase from Walmart and Dollar Tree, so it's very affordable and anyone can do it. Here in North Carolina, it's really ugly and mucky and rainy, and as you guys know from previous videos, Hendrix loves to be outside. So I'm just trying to do different things that keeps him occupied on the inside. So if you want to see more and see how I created these things, please stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. As for the first thing we're going to make is a noise maker. So you're just going to need a plastic bottle. I'm using some feathers for color, some beads, and also a little pack of eyeballs and some glue. So I'm just opening the bottle right now. I'm adding some feathers inside, and I just picked these up. They were like 97 cents at Walmart or maybe Dollar Tree, just for some color in the bottle. And now I'm putting the eyeballs in there, and I'm gonna go ahead and add the beads. I decided to do everything with bright colors because, you know, that's gonna attract his eye the most. Right, and now I'm just adding more beads in there. Okay, now I'm going to take the glue, and I'm actually going to glue the lid on because the beads and everything inside is so small. I don't want the top coming off or, you know, Hendrix to choke or anything. So I just want to make sure that top is on secure and will not come off. Now I'm just taking the label off my bottle, and there's the noise maker. Alright, my next one is a balloon and color board. So I picked up some balloons that light up from Walmart, and they were $1.97 in the party section. And it comes in a pack of 5, but I already blew one up, so this board is only going to have 4 colors on it. So I'm just blowing up each balloon. As I blow them up, I'm actually putting them in like a little Walmart bag so that it won't like roll off or go anywhere. Alright, now I have a poster board, but it's actually like a cardboard material. So I'm just using a knife and putting a hole in it, and then I am sticking the balloon through the hole like that. Now you don't have to use a knife. You could actually use like a pin because it's not that hard to puncture the board. Alright, and that is the 4 balloons in the board. Now, if you guys have a baby, I don't know if your baby is rough, but mine is. So I just want to make sure that the balloons are actually secure in the cardboard. So I'm just putting some tape on the back just to make sure it holds. I end up using electrical tape for my fiance because I didn't have any other tape, but I would definitely recommend getting like duct tape or anything like that. Now I'm just taking some markers and just going to decorate the board with some colors and some words. You know, I feel as though it's never too early to start, you know, educating your baby. And you can decorate your board with anything you want. You know, there's 3D stickers. I would just keep in mind, you know, choking hazards. the board. All right, now we are doing toys in Jello, and this, you guys, was definitely Hendrix's favorite. So you're just gonna make your Jello like you normally would, and then just add your toys and put it in the refrigerator. All right, guys, and here is some video footage of Hendrix actually playing with his toys. His Jello definitely was the favorite. Red, green, yellow, white. Yeah. You want to squeeze it, honey? It's gonna pop. It's gonna say pop. He had so much fun playing in the Jello, but it does get a little messy, so I would say, you know, make sure you have a towel down, make sure your baby has on something that he can't, you know, dirty. But that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.